In our last episode of Sailing Nervous, I focused on the bilge, inspecting it, draining it, cleaning it, and then preparing the keel bolts to be replaced once I dry them out a bit. In this episode,
our new sail,
we're going to do some work topsides. Hey everybody, well we're measuring for our second reef line, which we need to get all measured before we install the mainsail. So that's what we're doing here as the sun's starting to set. Look at a beautiful sunset it is. We're excited about our new sail, so we've been getting a lot of stuff done. A friend of ours provided some diagrams to enable us to know what to measure for our second reef line, so we set about to do that first. Hey everybody, well, I want to just share something on a personal note. You know, 2020 was a tough year for a lot of people. I actually gained 20 pounds in 2020. As you can see from this picture here, it's not good. So Amy and I started on January 1st a new diet. It's basically the keto diet. And we're following Dr. Berg as well as this guy. I'll put the links below. At any rate, we're losing weight. So it's been really good and we're not hungry and it's been really good. So my goal is to get down to my ideal weight, which is a big goal, if it takes me the year to do it. And we have changed our lifestyle as far as what we eat. Things are going good in that regard. We've lost a good 5 pounds, which is, you know, a good start. And we want to keep on going. So here's a little snapshot of our Keto Super Bowl party, a little look at domestic life here on the boat with me and Amy. Those of you that have a story to tell or encouragement to share, please do leave a comment. Appreciate that. All right, so let's take a look at Super Bowl, and by now I guess you know the outcome. Here we go.
Oh, hello there.
Hey, I'm just cleaning the bilge.
Ah, Saturday cleaning time.
Yeah.
Can I get down?
Yeah, come on down, just be careful. Hey.
The monster of the marina.
You're not a monster. You're the mermaid of the marina.
Are mermaids cold on land?
Yeah. They're pretty.
Oh, very sweet.
Going down Tyreek Hill right now, but we'll see how long.
Oh, what's it made out of? What are the ingredients?
A low carb pita tortilla, low carb sauce, mozzarella cheese, onions, peppers, and sweets.
Ooh, looks yummy. Wow. Low carb pizza. Wow, it looks really good. Thank you. What you eating for dinner?
What are you eating for dinner?
Oh, low carb. We're almost a month of low carb, man. We're losing weight and feeling healthy.
Yeah. Happy birthday to me.
You like burgers, eh?
I do.
All right, well, we had a great day. This is the calm before the storm. We got a big storm coming in tonight, and we got, you know, not a ton of stuff done, but we got a lot of basic stuff done that we had to do. The first thing was to maintain stuff, but also to protect from any further damage. And of course, the big thing with this particular boat is making sure that the leakage, the water leakage, which is around the hatches and some of the windows, we need to attend to these windows, replace them. Also, I want to replace the hatches. I did do some remedial stuff on the hatches, maybe stop the water by maybe 85–90%, but the water still, we don't know where it's, you know, it doesn't drop straight through. I think it's going through the deck a little bit. That's not good. That's the one thing you want to avoid, is water staying in your decks. So we're getting there little by little, and it's been good. It's been a good day. Somebody's banging something up there on the hill. What are we having for dinner tonight?
Somebody else's homemade fried chicken.
Chicken and salad. Sounds healthy. No pizza or spaghetti or fun stuff?
Actually, we're going to make our own version of a pizza tomorrow.
Yeah, keto pizza. It's almost as good as Grandma used to make.
Actually, it can taste good.
All right, good. All right, let's go.
Okay, do you have keys?
I do have the keys, but first I just want to get another shot of the... It was peaceful before somebody started banging on metal.
Fire came up and it burned my heart. The heat came down, tearing us apart. But I'm standing straight, I've been walking that line, and I know someday I'ma make it mine. It's a long